Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 9th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. So let's start with the VIX. So VIX is going up 0.55. That's 2.15%, closed at 2609. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we had a resistance here at 2574. We stayed underneath there for a couple of days, but now this trend is now officially over. We have a little bit of a congestion zone right here. So we just came out of it and we were also into this downward channel and we are also coming out of it. So now we can almost see the beginning of a pattern. We don't have a stochastic over 60. So it means that we could have just a move that is going to do something like this, which is turning into a bigger congestion zone. I would not call this yet a bull trend. I would need to see something happening with a good stochastic and then a break of a new resistance, probably this one at 2772 or maybe some other ones, depending on where we are zigzagging. But yeah, this is not a bull trend yet. This is a stop of the congestion zone and also this downtrend. Because VIX is coming back up, then the stock market is supposed to go down. We saw that Tesla did go down indeed. So let's see how Dow Jones fared. So Dow Jones, believe it or not, came back into our downward channel. So as I mentioned, when there's a break, the resistance, it's always safer to wait for a second candle of confirmation. I don't always do this. But here in the case of something important like Dow Jones, and we also had a fake move right here on August 16th. This is just interesting that it came back down. It came back down. The move up right here is almost over. So we are going to have a consolidation phase before we have a move down, if we have to have a move down. Right now, we are beginning to enter the congestion phase. So because we are just one candle outside of this bullish channel, I cannot even say that we are outside of the channel for good. The move is not that far from that support here. I think that we need a few more candles to see what is happening. Maybe our support to take a look at is right here at 31,741 because we had a low right here. We had a low right here and now we are maybe coming back to that low. And maybe by the time we are coming back to this low, we are going to have lost stochastic. And if we have a move down here, so then that would be the time to enter for a short. So right now you can take some profit. If you were in at an earlier point, you can take some profit because now things are going to be all over the place before we find another trend. So right now, this is just a congestion zone and things can go up and down a little bit randomly. Let's look at S&P 500. So S&P 500 is also coming down. So we are just right smack on the support right here. There are no random moves. We could not break this downward resistance right here. We are very close to a stochastic below 60. Nasdaq is going to be shortable very, very soon, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. And in terms of Nasdaq, we never got stochastic over 60 recently. We have a little bit of support right here. And that too is going to be very close to being short. But do your own research and make your own decisions. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.